back, everybody. As you can see, this subwoofer's light can't stop flicking. Yeah, it's too heavy. Let me just put it down and explain the problem. Cool. There's a problem that I came across on the Hisense HS212 subwoofer and the soundbar connection. So sometimes, and this has happened the second time, wherein they just disconnect, like they're not in sync. Remember, they use Bluetooth, so they just disconnect, and now the sound only comes out of the soundbar, and the subwoofer doesn't receive anything else. So the way you would see that it's disconnected is because that blue light that you see there will just be flicking even though you switch on your soundbar. So to reset it, it's literally you go to this button, hold it until it will make some sound.
3.6.
Then it's waiting for the main soundbar to pair it. One thing you should note, this doesn't just pair automatically. You have to do something as well on the remote. So step 2 is you grab your remote. You see this button that way you use to switch modes. You go to the button, press it, hold it, and well, this is not responding. Let's try it again.
Connected.
There we go. It is connected. And if right now we go back to our subwoofer, you will see the light is not flicking anymore. So that's how you solve the problem.